Hi guys, it's me again. And in this lecture, I'm going to explain some new commands in the drawing palette that I did not include in the other or the previous lectures. So it's going to be the polygon and the ellipse. Okay, so let's start with the polygon. First of all, they tell you to enter the number of sides. So let's choose, for example, 6, enter. And now they tell you to specify the center of the polygon. Let's put it here. And now they give you like two choices. The first one is to draw this polygon inscribed in a circle. And this choice will draw the polygon inside the circle so that the pointed head of this polygon will be drawn on the sides of the circle. And the other choice is the circumscribe about circle, and this will draw the polygon around the circle, so the circle will be inside it. Okay, let's select the first choice and see how it goes. Now they tell you to specify the radius of the circle. Let's set it, for example, for 20, and now press enter. And there you go, this is your polygon. Let's do it again, but this time let's do it outside the circle. Okay, the number of sides are 6. Specify the center, I want it to be here. Then choose the other choice, which is circumscribe about circle. And now they tell you to specify the radius of the circle. I will do enter 20, and there you go. So as you can see, we entered the same radius in both polygons, but we got like two different sizes of this. We used this polygon by drawing it inside the circle, and this polygon we draw it outside the circle. So now when we go to the circle and let's here activate the geometric center and select the center of this one and set this R for 20, you will see that the polygon is drawn inside the circle. But when we go to this polygon and type R, enter 20, enter, you will see that this polygon is drawn outside the circle. So this is the difference between the inscript in the circle here and circumscribed about circle. Inscribed in a circle, circumscribed about circle. Okay,